Hey guys, Chris X Howlett here. How you doing? I wanted to run this idea past you of, in the title of the video, did our tiny house lead to tiny thinking? Beautiful day here in Arizona, sort of, by the way. Did our tiny house lead to tiny thinking? And minimalism, tiny houses, things like that. We lived in about 400 square feet, I think. Um, and one of the things that that I've come to challenge myself with in trying to square in my own head is how I could go from tiny living to that turned into minimalism, which just turned into trying to make everything in our world just as small as possible. So we would end up thinking small. And in many cases, I think in order to get big results in the world, sometimes it requires bigger thinking. And is that contradictory to a tiny home and maybe tiny thinking? So, in our experience, or in my experience, I'll just speak for me, in my experience, in living in something that's that small, it didn't allow me to consistently live with expanded thinking. So even if we were, one of the benefits of living tiny and living small is to reduce your overhead, to reduce your budget, to reduce that kind of stuff, which I appreciate, but that's limited thinking. That's not expansive thinking. It's how do I get small instead of how do I get big. And I've always squared in my head to make a big difference, it requires doing big things, and that might require more space and a different mindset. So, where I've come at things, and we traveled on the road for 3 years, we were full time RVers, and um, that's another video in and of itself. We had a fantastic time doing it, but living in a tiny house in my experience for the past 3 years, we've since moved out of it, and now we're looking for what our next step is, our next adventure for living, and yada yada yada. But um, I think there's a cautionary tale that should be told about tiny living and minimalism, to be cautious that that doesn't turn into simply small thinking. And by small thinking, it's how can I live on this much money every month? How can I make sure that I don't spend more than that? Or um, instead of doing big things, I'll scale it down to do smaller things. And I'm in my head, those things too, those don't, that concept, that theory, that line of thinking doesn't match with getting huge results on things. Does that kind of make sense? And in order to get big results on big things, you have to just simply do big things, make an impact. Um, so anyway, maybe just throw this out to comments, throw this out to you guys. Uh, does a tiny house lead to tiny thinking? Can you, at least to simplicity, you can make your life more simple, um, but can you have a simple life and make it really big? Can you have a really big impact on the world by living tiny? I don't know. Maybe a thought for consideration in a further video. Just want to share a thought with you. It's been running through my head here recently. So share in the comments down below what you think. And if you want to find out a little bit more about CADRE LTD, definitely let's connect. We'll talk soon. Be good at it.